Welcome back. Chief Commissioner of Customs and Central Excise Rakesh Sharma yesterday said that the lack of facilities at Daboli Airport was killing cargo business in the state. This statement could be music for the ear of those in favour of shifting the airport to Mopa in Perne. Addressing the industrialists and media at the Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the first Indian to set foot on the moon said that while the state has an airport, it belongs to the Navy and hence the airport authority or the government does not have much to say in the matter. He disclosed that airlines operating on the Goa sector have time and again claimed that there is a very big demand for cargo, but lack of infrastructure is a major hindrance. He said that for cargo business, land is required for sheds and storage, which the department has recently at the airport itself, and the State Customs and Excise Commissioner will discuss the matter with the government to acquire the land for the purpose until the next airport is ready. Rakesh Sharma also said that industries are moving out of Goa due to incentives such as tax benefits being offered by other states and the 9% growth Union Finance Minister P. Chidambaram is talking about is not being experienced in Goa. He said that all these factors are causing an annual loss of rupees 15 to 20 crores in his department. Time for a short break here with Goa 365. Welcome back. Sporting Club de Goa played a goalless match with JCT in the 15th round of ONGC I-League held at Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Fatorda. Sporting players played in orange jersey and JCT in white took to the field. Towards the closing stages of the first half, Sporting Club player came quite close to scoring a goal, but the JCT defenders did their bit. JCT team led by Julius Ekpel made desperate attempts to find the Sporting nets. With this draw, JCT moved tally to 26 points and Sporting Club de Goa to 17 points in the 15th round encounter. Kurturi Cultural Committee organized first talent search competition as a part of Carnival festivity for its villagers. George Mascarenhas from Kurturi sang song on Molba Velo Dov. Munchache Wodpon song sang by Joel Fernandez.